Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. First, I'd say compliment of the season, even though we're almost out of the holidays, so it's about time to get back to work. And though the market has been bare almost all throughout the end of last year, but we're very hopeful that 2023 is going to bring a bullish market for the crypto ecosystem. While we're talking about that, last year a whole lot of airdrops came up, and even last 2 years, and I joined in taking some of these airdrops, but realized that it was almost impossible to swap those tokens for other values like Ethereum or BNB on PancakeSwap or Uniswap. Now this video is going to guide us on how we can swap any airdrop token that shows value on Trust Wallet, but we cannot swap them on PancakeSwap or Uniswap. Now I'm going to use a case in point with MetaWar. To do all of this, the site, the DEX to make all these changes would not be PancakeSwap or Uniswap, because of course we would still get the same error we've been getting before. So to do this, we'd have to use a cross DEX platform, and the name is roygeswap.space. So all you just have to do is type in roygeswap. I think this is a Japanese site or something. roygeswap.space. Now we have the website here, so the next thing you just have to do is click on the connect web wallet. Now this DEX has its own inbuilt hard wallet that you can use. You can also create a new wallet if you want to. You can click on the create a new wallet, or you can click on the I already have a wallet. But for the sake of this video, we'll be using I already have a wallet because I already have that airdrop inside a wallet. So I want to import that wallet into this DEX and then swap my MetaWar. Now to do this, all you just have to do is click on the I already have a wallet. You choose what type of authorization or authentication system you want to use, whether it's the seed phrase or the private key or the key store JSON. Now for this, I'll be using my seed phrase. I'm sorry, I'm going to blow some of these out because I so do not want you to see my wallet or take any money from it. So click on the import wallet. Allow this to synchronize for a while, get your wallet data, and then sync with the DEX. I would be fast forwarding this part so we don't waste too much time on this video. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. Now as you can see, we've successfully synced our wallet with the DEX. Now the next thing to do is to click on the launch app. Now you could also click on the launch app and click on the connect wallet button you would find on the launch app interface. Well, we've already connected, so no need to stress ourselves with that. Now I have this is a cross-chain DEX, like I said, so you can change from Ethereum to smart chain, or even do a cross-chain bridge. In this platform you can also change your Ethereum for BNB. On a subsequent video, I would show you how to do that. I think I already have that in my channel, so you can go look that up and see how to change your BNB for Ethereum and all whatnot. Now we want to import MetaWar. So to do this, all you just have to do is open a new tab on your browser, go to bscscan.com, and when you get there, on the search bar just type in MetaWar. Now it's going to bring up MetaWar for you. Select it. Now once that is selected, scroll down a bit, copy your contract address, go back to roygeswap, click on any of the boxes, paste in your contract address. As you can see, I have about 734,500 MetaWar tokens. Now, to swap this, all I just have to do is click on this toggle button in the middle. Now, once this is toggled, I have MetaWar at the top. I can now swap as much MetaWar as I want to swap. The whole thing for this video, I would probably swap it back. It's just a little gas fee. I won't stretch myself that much. So I click on max, and this is going to generate about 1.85.46 BNB. This is crazy. But I got this almost as an airdrop. Now all you just have to do is click on the swap. This is going to show you a warning telling you what you want to swap for, what you want to swap it. If you still want to go ahead, you click on the confirm, which I want to do, so I click on the confirm. Allow the transaction to process. It will take a few seconds, and then we'll get a response back if it was successful or not. I'll just keep the little line. We have successfully swapped our MetaWar for BNB. Now I can come here, refresh the page. You see my MetaWar is empty. My BNB is about 88.72 BNB. So guys, this is the whole idea. You can actually do this, change any of your airdrop tokens that shows value on Trust Wallet or any of your wallets, but you cannot swap them on PancakeSwap or Uniswap or ApeSwap or SushiSwap or any of the swaps that you know already. So guys, I hope this video has helped you. If it has, please do not forget to like, click on the subscribe button, and also click on the notification button, activate it for all, so that every time I release a new sweet content like this, you would be notified immediately. Thank you guys for watching. Compliment of the season. I'll see you next time.